Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute, really festive hair bow. What you will need is I have my bow wire folded in half. You can use more or less, however much you'd like. This is just going to secure the bow at the end. You're going to take the first piece of 1.5 inch ribbon and you are going to turn it upside down and you're going to do a uniform scrunch because that just looks better. So you're going to fold it downward and then bring the back up and the front up just like that. And you're just going to scrunch it down. Now you're going to make a loop and then you're going to scrunch the other side down just like you did before. Just like that. So the second ribbon that you just placed, we are going to kind of estimate the center. You can measure the exact center, but I just estimate. And you scrunch it and place it down just like that. We're going to do the same with the second piece, but we are going to bring it around this first piece and make it crisscross before we scrunch it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So it's going to look like this before we scrunch it. So then you just find the center and you scrunch. Use your wand. It's going to help scrunch it down and it's going to look like this. Again, you can stop right here because this is a very cute bow, but we are going to keep going. Now you're going to take your first set of colored spikes, scrunch them as best you can. They are thinner, so it'll be a little harder to scrunch them. And you place them in an X. Just like that. And these, as you notice, these do have the ribbon cut. Let me show you how I did that. You just fold it in half with the two open ends on the bottom and the fold on the top and make a diagonal cut. Just like that. I'm going to do it again with the other side. Fold it in half, open ends on the bottom, fold on the top, and cut. Just like that. You can make the spikes longer or shorter. You could leave the spikes out altogether. You could have them all one color. You can just have fun with it. And there you have it. You are all done. It's a really cute, really festive, girly bow. So adorable.